Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So 3 and free. So 3. There we are. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. So I have 3 kinds of lessons. There were 3 people here. Did you see all 3 movies? She has all 3 of the books. Okay, now free, however, free, no cost. No cost. Yeah, nothing. Yes, no cost. Entrance is free. You can, well, the books are for free. These sunglasses are free. Yeah, here you are. Thank you. This lesson is for free. It's free. This lesson is free. Yeah, but I ask that you subscribe. Yeah, so sometimes people give away things for free. Yeah, how cool is that? So I saw there are 3 kinds of spices. I saw those 3 last night. Entrance is free. Since when have the books been free? Yeah, I like getting free books. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and free, no cost. Yeah, there we are, no cost. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use free and 3 in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.